Today, I'm going to show you how to install any website as a desktop app in Google Chrome on Windows 11, so you can launch it faster, keep it in your Start menu or taskbar, and use it like a dedicated app instead of opening it in a browser tab every time. This is a super simple trick, but it's incredibly useful if you have a website you visit all the time, like a productivity tool, a dashboard, an email service, or anything else you want quick access to. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Windows and Chrome tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer and go to the website you want to install. For this example, you can use any website you like as long as it loads properly in Chrome. Once the site is open, look up to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you'll find a lot of useful browser options. From here, hover over or click Cast, Save, and Share. This section contains the tools Chrome uses for saving pages, sharing them, and turning them into web apps. Now click Install Page as App. Chrome will immediately recognize the website as something you can install locally on your computer, just like an app. A small window will appear asking you to name the app. You can keep the default name if you want, or change it to something shorter or easier to recognize. Once you've chosen the name, click Install. Chrome will finish creating the app, and in just a moment, your website will open in its own separate window. It will no longer look like a regular browser tab because now it behaves more like a standalone desktop app. After that, you can usually pin it to your taskbar, keep it in your Start menu, or launch it anytime from your desktop shortcuts depending on how Windows sets it up. This makes it much quicker to access your favorite websites and gives you a cleaner, more app-like experience. And that's it! You've just installed any website as a desktop app in Chrome on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Windows tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.